Hello, this tutorial video will show you how you can generate deterministic flows in Mimic NetFlow Simulator. Agent instance number 1 is configured for NetFlow with the demo1 configuration file. 172.0.0.1 is our NetFlow collector. Let's look at the flow characteristics with the NetFlow wizard. The simulation count is 0, meaning continuous flows. The source addresses represent a large range of clients. The destination addresses represent a small range of servers. We'll enable tracing to show how Mimic logs the events. Once we start the agent instance, the flows are being generated. Once the first flow is generated, we'll look at the details in the protocol analyzer called Wireshark. We are capturing data flows with the filter cFlowCount equals 25. The first flow in the captured data flow set shows traffic from a random client in the range to server 10.0.0.6, while the second flow shows traffic from a different random client to server 10.0.0.4. So by default, Mimic generates random flows in the specified ranges. We will show how you can make this more predictable if you need deterministic flows for testing. Let's look at that demo1 configuration file again in the NetFlow wizard. We will enable the sequential parameter for the source and destination addresses to make them more deterministic. Once we save this configuration file, let's see how it looks in the protocol analyzer. First, we have to start a new capture. When the first data flow set comes in, we see that the first flow has traffic from the first client to the first server in the range. And the second flow has traffic from the second client to the second server. And so on. We saw how within 3 minutes we generated deterministic flows for Mimic NetFlow Simulator.